A full body makeover involves transforming your physique through exercise and healthy eating while adopting a new look to showcase your progress. To stay motivated, establish a game plan with SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. And outline actionable steps to achieve them, like tracking calorie intake for weight loss or consulting a dentist for dental improvements. Implement a reward system for each milestone and consult your doctor before starting any new workout or diet. Keep an exercise journal to reflect on your progress and aim for at least 5 workout days a week, mixing cardio and strength training exercises for all muscle groups, including arms, legs, and core. Additionally, consider revamping your skincare routine to address any changes and discover your best colors through a seasonal analysis, allowing you to enhance your makeup application and overall look.